Success here at the city would be for us to be able to provide everything that our customers need, and not necessarily everything they want, but everything they need, and have them come home safe at the end of the day. My name is Brad Holland. Work for the City of Denton Fleet Services. I've been here right at about 17 years. So the deck system helps us keep our guys have all the tools that they need readily available to them. It's sealed, it is safe. It gives them everything they need. It is very ergonomic and at a cheap price. So when the fire department came to me, they had seen this system and they wanted it to be able to keep all of their equipment without having to buy a topper, without having to buy a cross toolbox and have somebody crawl in and out of it. They saw it and recognized that it would be a good fit for them. They still have the ability to use the top of it and be able to lock everything up quickly. It's a lot quicker than having to go around and lock every one of the doors. So you're looking at a time factor there, and you're also looking at safety and usability. Theft is always a problem at the city. Tools, vehicles, equipment has all been stolen from here. That is taxpayer dollars. Everything that we do here is taxpayer dollars, and we have to be as good as stewards as we can, so we have to try to mitigate those problems, and DECKED helps us do that. The ability to have better fuel mileage and the ability to be able to switch this from one truck over to the next without having to buy another utility bed, without having to buy another system. We can just move that one over. It'll work just as good as a brand new one for us. So that sure helps out with cost. Personally, I want everybody to get home. Most of these guys have families. I know most of these people. I know most of their families. And I want to see them get home to them without a sprained ankle, without a broken leg. You know, the ergonomics and the ease of use of this equipment helps us do that.